So this is a tutorial video for the subatomic particles part of the physics classroom concept builder. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. Remember, you should end up having your name in here after you log in to your account in the upper left hand part. And then you'll go down and it'll tell you what concept builders are still able to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and start this. Maybe. All I'm asking you to do is either the apprentice level for 6 out of 10 points, the master level for 8 out of 10 points, or both of these for 10 out of 10 points. If you want to have fun, you could try this, but this means you have to know the charge on ions, which actually is on your periodic table, but not something I expect you to know at this point. So let's go through a couple of these. So at this particular point, it's got a neon 19 atom. So you know this symbol, you know that overall it's got 19 mass units, 10 protons. So the atomic mass number would be 10. The mass number is 19. Protons, same always as the atomic number. Neutrons is the difference between the mass number and the atomic number. Why? Because atomic number is number of protons, mass number is both protons and neutrons. So that means I've got to have 9 neutrons. And for a neutral atom, if I have 10 protons, I have to have 10 electrons. So now I'm going to check my answers for this. Great answers. Some cells still need completing. Okay. And your health does go down depending on things. So let's say I screwed this up. Oh, it's not letting me change those. So let's say I put 76 in here. 76. 65. Okay. And there, and I check that again. Oops, not all answers are correct. Give it another try. So that's how we do that. I'm going to go back to the main menu. I'm going to show you how the master level looks different. So in this case, these have charges. So for this particular one, for example, I've got potassium. Its mass is 19, symbol is 40. So atomic number is 19, mass would be 40. Protons, same as the atomic number. Neutrons, same as we had before, where it's 40 minus 19. Number of electrons, well, in this case, I have 19 protons, but I've got a +1 charge here. So that means I would have only 18 electrons. Down with a couple of these, it's asking you to find the charge. Well, here you've got 28 electrons. 29 is my atomic number, so that's 29 protons. So I should have a +1. So I'd type that in as 1, and then you can toggle between the plus and the minus. Okay, so I'm going to check my answers. Hey, some cells still need completing. Okay. I don't know why that went away. If you do need help, you can go over here. It'll let you know some of these things. If you want to view directions, goes back to here. You can talk about this as well. So that's my tutorial. I'm going to go back to the main menu. And again, hopefully you get both of these checked off. If you get both levels, you get a 10 out of 10.